Hello beautiful and wonderful people, welcome back to Jinamon channel. If you are new here, it's so great to have you. Please don't forget to follow my page and subscribe to my channel as well. In today's recipe, I'll share with you how to make this simple, easy, amazing potato snack. This is more or less like samosa, but you can call it Samosa Pro Max. It's so delicious. Let's get started. In a mixing bowl, add in flour, black sesame seed, which is totally optional, salt, olive oil. I'll mix these ingredients together to well combined until it forms something like a breadcrumbs consistency, just like so. That's what you're looking for. After, I'll go ahead and add in cold water. I'll add in the cold water bit at a time and mix it till it forms a dough. Once it's formed a dough, I'll need it more or less like 3 minutes. Don't overwork it. More or less like 3 minutes, and then I'll cover it with a clean napkin. Let it rest for at least 30 minutes. I'll list the exact amount of the ingredients that I used in the comment section or in the description box below. After, I'll go ahead and mash my cooked potatoes. So the good thing about this recipe is that you can use leftover potatoes for this. I'll mash it until it is almost smooth. It shouldn't be that fine smooth, like some chunks of potato should be okay. I then added in cooked green peas, chopped onion, the red one. I added in cumin powder, garam masala powder, black pepper, and shrimps. So the shrimps is the cooked one, but I fried it a little bit. I added in salt and then dried parsley. I'll mix all those ingredients together to well combined again, and this is what you're looking for. This potato filling is the best ever. It's so delicious, trust me. And then the shrimps that I added to it took it to the next level. When done, set it aside and let's work with the glue. So for the glue, it's just simple ingredients: flour and water, 1 tablespoon of flour and a tablespoon of water, or 2 tablespoons of water. It should be something like this. When done, I'll set it aside. By 30 minutes, I'll bring the dough and then divide it into smaller pieces. I went in for 50 grams each. You can eyeball it or weigh it. I'll then roll it in a ball shape on my palm like so and set it aside. So like I said, you can eyeball it or just roll it, like weigh it 50 grams each. That's what I did. After, I'll go ahead and sprinkle a little bit of flour on my work surface and then bring one of the dough. I then sprinkled a little bit of flour on top of the dough and then roll it out. So you're looking for a square shape. It should be something like a square shape. Try your best as much as possible to roll it like a square shape, and then use a pizza cutter or a knife to cut it like making cross sign as demonstrated in a video. After, brush on top with the glue or of one of the side of the dough, and then flip the other side to cover it, and make sure it's sealed well. The 2 sides left, before, brush on top with the glue again, and then make long stripes on the other side, just as demonstrated in the video. So what you have to do is to crisscross it and you're good to go. It's very simple and easy, but make sure you also brush on top with the glue before doing that part. You want it to stick to the dough itself or to the filling itself. So it's like, bring one of the stripes, fold it on top, and then use the other one to crisscross it, like to cross it. It's very simple, easy. And as they say, practice make man perfect. So if you try it 1 second, you'll get there. When done, use a pizza cutter to shape it well. You know, the excess, take it off from there, and that's it. It's simple, easy, and you're good to go. Like I said, it's very easy. If you try the first one, the second one will be easier for you. At this point, go ahead and pre-heat your oil and fry those bad boys. So when you get to this point, you are done. Fry these bad boys until they are ready to be eaten and you are good to go. It's beautiful. It turned out so delicious. It's not only beautiful, but it's delicious. And more of a if you're a potato lover, trust me, you're going to love it. The shrimp that I added to it, mamma mia, guys, you need to try this recipe and let me know in the comment section. So for the folding, you can do any shape, any type of folding that you want at all. You can even do it as the normal, like the normal samosa dough, and you are good to go, and like the normal samosa type. And look at it, guys, this is eye-catching, it's beautiful, it's delicious, it's yummicious. And when you get to this point, it's ready. Take it off from the fire and drain the excess oil on a paper towel. So guys, this is it. It's simple, easy, and you're good to go. Just look at this. Isn't it amazing? Isn't it beautiful? Just tell me, guys. I hope you really enjoyed watching this video. Why don't you give me a credit by giving this video a thumbs up, share, comment, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, follow my page, and trust me, this is soft inside, crunchy inside. Love you all. See you in my next video. Till then, bye.